Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the basics are ready. iPhone updated, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and the watch has charge. This prevents connection failures. Once done, place the watch near the iPhone and open the watch app, tap Start Pairing. You do this because proximity and current software let devices exchange setup data quickly. Next, align the viewfinder or choose manual setup if the camera can't read the animation. This starts the secure pairing handshake and moves you to account. After pairing, sign into your Apple ID so health, messages, and backup sync. This is why features like fall detection and iCloud restore work. Then choose settings, set a passcode for security, enable Siri and location for maps and workouts, and add cards for Apple Pay if desired. Make sure iCloud and health are allowed. These control what transfers. Finally, let the watch sync apps, contacts, and music. Depending on data, this can take several minutes, so be patient. Finish by customizing watch faces, notification settings, and app permissions so the watch behaves how you expect. This optimizes battery and alerts. Confirm emergency SOS and fall detection are set. These rely on your Apple ID and health settings. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, then retry pairing. If still stuck, erase the watch and pair again. Doing those steps resolves most connection or sync conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.